Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to take a look at an envelope I received from Ravenhawk Coins. He had a live stream going on the other night and offered a small auction. He had a few things for sale, and I decided to bid on this, really because I don't have one. Pretty much a coin collector, silver stacker, gold bullion type guy. Don't really have any bills. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to support the auction and go ahead and order something. So I got it in the mail today, and I'll go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, I want to be really careful with this. I'm not going to take my scissors to it because there is paper or bill in there. So let me just try to open it up. Open it up off the screen just so I can not tear anything open. Okay. Alright, got it out of there. So here we go. Got a letter. Let's go ahead and read this. Talking Bullion. Hi, thank you so much for your support on the stream auction. I hope you enjoy the currency. Hope to see you soon. Raven. That's a nice letter, Raven. Thanks for including it. It's really cool. You're a really cool guy. Appreciate all you do for the community. So let's go ahead and take a look at what he sent me. It is a silver certificate. I'm not really sure what to look for on these things. Like I said, I've never ordered one before. I see this is a series 1957B. And look at it, it's in great shape. Well, very nice. Camera's picking it up really nice. Got the blue seal on it. $1 is payable to the bearer on demand. Sorry, $1 in silver. And silver is payable to the bearer upon demand. Let me try that one more time. $1 in silver payable to the bearer on demand. Okay, I think that's right. Let's put it over under the coin cam. Oh, hopefully the coin cam won't get mad at me because it's not a coin. Let me lift it up here a little bit, see if we can get a little bit more in focus on it. Not too much. Coin cam's made to take pictures of small things. But let me go ahead and switch over. There we go. It's not too bad. See the series 1957B. I don't have the color turned on for the cam, so that's why we're not seeing the color in it. So this camera has different modes to it. Yeah, anyway. Just trying to show a little bit more of a close-up. There is the $1 silver payable to the bearer on demand. Serial number. So that's pretty cool. I like it. It's going to be a nice addition to the old collection. Anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to show you that I went off the board a little bit. Didn't buy any bullion and actually bought a bill instead. But hey, begins with a B, right? So I'm still in the neighborhood. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Appreciate you watching. Give me a like, thumbs up if you would. I would appreciate it. Go ahead and sub to my channel because I've got some really good stuff coming up. And I think you'll be excited to hear about some of that. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.